When St. Thomas Aquinas talks about the religious life, he identifies three aims. First, it's meant to heal, to grow the religious beyond the bounds of his fallen selfishness, to quell the rebellion at work in his members. Second, it's meant to focus the religious, to channel his efforts towards the one thing necessary in wholehearted pursuit of God. Third, it's meant to offer the religious, to make of his life a pleasing oblation to the Most High God. For if a man gives all that he knows, all that he loves, and all that he has to God, it is a perfect sacrifice. Through a life of prayer, study, and preaching, a Dominican friar seeks to offer his life to God as a perfect sacrifice. It is neither a retreat from reality or an escape from difficulty. It's an embrace of the cross told forth in testimony.